Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be going over the new Facebook Shops changes that we have that come that you can use in your account settings area, in your templates area, and in your products area. So let's go ahead and visit the account settings area really quickly. So once you're in the account settings area, what you'll see is that if you go into Facebook Shop settings, there are a whole list of new options, right? So generally, you are using products that go into your feed link and then they go right to Facebook. And the way you can now control that a little bit is by enabling and disabling certain fields. For example, we added a whole bunch of new fields that are the sale price, the Facebook color, Facebook gender, Facebook size, Facebook age group, Facebook material, Facebook pattern, Facebook shipping, and Facebook shipping weight, right? So it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new fields that we just added to the product section. Additionally, in the settings area, what you'll be able to do is uncheck these or recheck them anytime you want them to go into your feed. On top of that, you can see which products are not in your feed link and then the reason for why they are not in your feed link. So some products may have zero images, and if you click on this link right here, it'll take you to the products in your account that have 0 images and where you need to add images, and then they'll go into your Facebook Shops. Next, if any description has a link, then you can click here and it'll tell you which one of your descriptions have a link, and you can go ahead and remove those to ensure that your products actually end up on your Facebook shop. Additionally, you're going to find an empty description area right here. So a lot of times products don't show up in the feed if the description is empty on our software's end. So you have to make sure that there's a description, and once you click on this, it'll show you all the products that have an empty description, and you can go ahead and add things to that description. On top of that, you can see in general, out of all of these issues, like there's sometimes a bit more issues, or maybe your sales channel is not checked for Facebook Shops. So on top of all of these, you can also see 4 products are not in my feed link. So I'm going to click on that and see why. So once I click on that, it's going to navigate me to the products that are not in my feed link. Alright, so once I click on that, I can see that 4 different products here are not in my feed link. And if I scroll over to my sales channel section, it seems that I did not check my sales channels. So, it seems that these 4 products are not in my Facebook shop. So what I'm going to do very quickly is just go ahead and click edit and go into my sales channels and go ahead and check my, and once I went ahead and I adjusted the sales channel for that one product, it now disappeared from the products that are not in my feed link. So now there's only 3 products that are not in my feed link. If I go into my account settings section to verify and I go into my Facebook shop settings, now it shows that only 3 are not in my feed link. So that is a cool way to go ahead and debug your feed link. We've got a lot more options here now, and we'll go over the individual fields in another video under the templates and the product section. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, go ahead and start that free trial, 7 days free, $29 a month after that. If you're looking to sell on Facebook Shops or Marketplace, we are the solution for you. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great one. Bye.